everyone, we are here at Moorgate Andrology and I'm delighted to present you my dear colleague David. He's going to answer a really important question. There are quite a lot of guys who are searching for testicle implants surgery. And it is a really important, crucial procedure for them. So could you enlighten us on the price of a procedure?
Yes, the cost of testicle replacement surgery is dependent on one or two factors.
Okay.
Firstly, are we replacing one testicle or are we replacing both?
Okay.
The other thing is sometimes this procedure can be done under local anaesthesia as a day case option, so you go home the same day. And sometimes it's done under general anaesthesia and you may need to stay overnight. So these factors do influence the cost.
I see.
If you need to stay overnight in hospital, generally it costs more, and it's more expensive if you need to have general anaesthesia. But these are issues that only you and the surgeon can decide at the time. So to get a specific cost for the operation, the best thing really is to come in and have a consultation with one of our andrology doctors, and then we'll be in a position to give you an exact cost for your procedure. What it does include is all the preoperative tests that are needed, all the surgical costs, and also aftercare.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.